How to share SoundCloud music on Instagram. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, go ahead and log in into your SoundCloud application. Allow all the permission it asks for. To share it in Instagram, all you have to do is just tap on the music that you prefer and that you want to share as your Instagram story. Now for the sake of this video, I've selected this random one. Tap on the three dot icon and from here you will be seeing the option of stories. Just tap on it. Now you will see an interface like this. You can zoom in or zoom out to fix the alignment. Once happy with it, you can post it as your story. Once your story has been successfully posted, at the top, you will find the option of Play on SoundCloud. Every user can tap on this option and it will redirect to the SoundCloud application and easily listen to the music that you posted. If you cannot get the access to such feature, check out for any available update for your SoundCloud. This wraps up the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.